People are cashing in on memes and other digital files called non-fungible tokens, or NFTs.
Now, if you turn a profit from NFTs, Ariane D with the National Verify team shares what you'll need to look out for on the 1040 form when you do file your taxes.
You've probably heard something about NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. NFTs are unique items that can be traded virtually, like audio files, ebooks, digital artwork, and even photos. And if you have a cryptocurrency wallet, you can cash in on your NFTs. In recent weeks, headlines highlight people creating and cashing in their NFTs for a big payday.
I just turned 5K into 10K by flipping this NFT.
A former financial advisor explains in a skit on TikTok, which has more than 266,000 views, that if a person made a profit from NFTs, they should consider setting aside money for taxes.
Wait, what? Buying and selling NFTs could actually create two taxable events.
So, do you have to pay taxes if you sold an NFT? Let's verify. Our sources are the IRS and Amy Miller, a certified public accountant and a member of the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants Virtual Currency Tax Task Force. NFTs are one-of-a-kind, non-fungible assets that are not interchangeable. Because each NFT is wholly unique, it's not intended to be used as a kind of currency, like Bitcoin. Instead, NFTs are bought and sold as collectibles or investments. In a 2021 NFT market report, Chainalysis explains that, quote, NFTs give the holder ownership over the data, media, or object the token is associated with, and are commonly bought and sold on specialized marketplaces, unquote. When there's a transaction involving those digital files, it's recorded on the blockchain, which is like a virtual paper trail for all transactions. The IRS has yet to give a definitive label to NFTs. On its website, the agency explains, quote, virtual currency is treated as property, and general tax principles applicable to property transactions apply to transactions using virtual currency, unquote. In other words, even though NFTs are strictly digital assets, they're still taxed just like physical assets.
If you're in the business and that is your small business to make NFTs, yes, you're taxable. The IRS has a question at the top of the Form 1040 asking, at any time during 2021, did you receive, sell, exchange, or otherwise dispose of any financial interest in any virtual currency? And taxpayers are required to answer yes or no to that question.
So we can verify, yes, you have to pay taxes if you sold an NFT and made a profit. With your Verify, I'm Ariane D.
Yeah, pretty much good rule of thumb. Any profit you make, you're probably going to be taxed on.
Yeah, we'll be right back.